Hi, today we're on the floor because today we're doing mime, the mime walk, step by step. Let me show you how it's done. All right, this is the profile walk. So your profile, sideways, to your audience. We're going to do this step by step. First, bend, and ignore the cats. Notice the high releve. That you're on the ball of your foot. Leave your knee out. So your heel is just off the floor. Bring it in straight. Do not bend that knee. See, no knee bending. Straight, 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 flat-footed. Okay? Now you're going to bend the other one. High releve, foot out. Notice the flexed foot. The feet do not go like this, and nor do they point, okay? It's a flexed foot. You bring it in straight. Do not bend the knee. No, 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 no. Boom, flat-footed. Bend, out, up, flexed foot, in, straight, no knee bending. Bend, the other one, out, in, straight, boom, okay? Bend, out, foot flexed, in straight. Bend, out, in straight, bend, out. Now watch this. This knee's going to stay straight while the other knee bends. And change. Now we've got this one bent. That's the foot that goes out. Bring it back in, and at the same time this is rolling up to the top of your foot. And change. Let me see if I can do that slow motion without falling down, okay? So out, boom. Okay, almost fell down on that one. Out, boom. Out, boom. So there it is. All right, go practice that for a while and see how it comes out.